I'm Christina Conlon, and my husband Sean and I are Lippert brand ambassadors along with our two adorable golden retrievers, Nash and Maverick. Now, hands down, the biggest upgrade we have made to our RV is our Acuva, which is also known as the Lippert Wanderer. Now, you might be thinking, Christina, why is a water filter the best upgrade you've made? Well, it's because we're water snobs. Now, we were spending a ton of time and a ton of money going to the grocery store 2 to 3 times a week to buy water bottles and to fill water jugs. And not to mention, we were wasting a ton of plastic. But that all changed once we got our Acuva installed because we were able to start pulling directly from our city water connection or even from our tanks, knowing that we were drinking clean water and that it was safe not only for us, but also for Nash and Maverick. Because of the UV process that the Acuva takes the water through, we know that it's not only clean, but it also tastes delicious. And I think in about 6 months, that system has paid for itself completely in full. And I highly recommend that to anybody, even if you're a part-time RVer, because it is a total game changer when it comes to drinking water.